worry, Stacy. I have your candy right here.
Hey, stop right there! Candy's not allowed in here. You need to eat that outside.
Fine. I know what to do. To sneak the candy, all I need is a fake apple and an X-Acto knife. Starting at the stem, cut a slit on the side. Now we can hide the gummy bears in the fake apple. Now it just looks like an ordinary apple.
You again? I
don't have any candy. This is an apple.
Oh wow, that's perfect. Go ahead.
Thank you. Stacy, I brought you something.
Really? Oh, thanks, but I really wanted a candy. Huh? Well, at least it's pre-sliced. Gummy bears? Ooh, Lily, you're a genius. Lily, I need you to bring me more candy.
Okay. What's another way to sneak in snacks? Huh?
Crafty Hacks Hospital, how can I help you?
Perfect. I'll just make a chocolate phone. She won't suspect this. I'll just put it in a new phone case. Time to go see Stacy.
Hold it right there, miss.
I don't have any snacks this time. Look.
I need to check that bag.
Fine.
Huh? Is this the new iPhone CH? Can you show me how it works?
Okay. I think it's dead. It must not be charged.
Give me that phone. It smells sweet. Chocolate?
Maybe it's just the new style.
I said no candy. I don't want to see any more candy.
Look, there she is, Kevin.
Don't worry, I got this. Shh! Ow! Ah! It hurts! My leg! My arm! Everything, it hurts!
What happened?
Thanks, Kevin.
Let me check your vitals.
Oh, no, it's okay, doctor. I'm fine. Thanks.
Mission accomplished.
I need candy.
Lily! I brought you more candy. Oh, thank you, Lily.
Thanks, Lily. Keep the candy coming. I need more. Copy that.
Stacy wants me to bring her so much candy. I know. I can just put the candy inside my jacket and zip it up. I'm here to visit.
Don't worry, ma'am. You look like you're almost due. I'll give you a checkup right away.
Oh, but I'm not.
Nonsense. Follow me.
This isn't really necessary, doctor.
Don't worry. This will only take a minute.
Okay.
Let's listen to that baby's heartbeat. That sounds weird. Let me try a different spot. Huh? That doesn't make any sense.
It's okay. I could go.
Wait, let's do an ultrasound. And now we look at the readings. Huh? Candy?
Gotta go.
Oh, like that! I'll get you next time, Lily!
This has got to work.
Hello, how can I help you?
Oh, I'm Stacy's professor. I'm helping her catch up at school.
Oh, of course, she's in room 245.
Thank you.
No problem, have a good day.
Hey, Stacy, it's me. What?
Stay back, I'm sick, I have a fever. No, please,
Lily, see?
Huh? Lily? Why would you scare me like that? Ooh, I love Twizzlers! Thanks, Lily, you're a genius!
No problem.
Wait! It's still not enough! I need more candy, please! Bring me more!
Risky.
More! Lily, can you please give this to Stacy for me?
I guess.
Thanks, Lily!
This Crafty Cat plush is perfect for hiding candy. I'll hide the candy in the backpack.
Lily, again? Stop right there!
I'm just here to give Stacy her new Crafty Cat plush.
Okay, but I'm scanning you first.
Fine.
All clear. Enjoy your visit.
Thank you.
Oh, it's taking Lily so long. Stacy.
Look what I brought you.
Thanks, Lily. This Crafty Cat's really cute. But I'm still hungry.
Check in the backpack.
Really? Okay. Only 2? That's not enough to keep me full.
What do you want me to do?
Figure it out. How many times do I have to tell you? No candy allowed. What's in your hands? Give me that.
Wait, it's not candy. This is the cold medicine I brought for Stacy.
Oh, really? Let me see. This looks fine. Here you go.
Thanks.
Hey, Lily.
What's wrong? Take this.
I don't want this. I want candy.
Wait, Stacy.
What's going on here? Lily, you're upsetting my patient. You need to leave. I said leave.
But this thing was filled with candy for Stacy. Dr. Becca will never suspect this.
You know the rules.
I have nothing. Look.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Huh? Candy?
Oh, oopsie.
Look at this mess.
Don't worry, I'll pick it up now.
Good. You can clean the whole waiting room while you're at it.
Seriously?
Yeah, better get started. Next time, don't break the rules.
Dr. Becca is so tough. Time for my master plan. Almost forgot. Now for the most important part. First, I need a Jell-O syringe and soda. Use the syringe to take out soda. Now I'll hide the candy in some gauze. Roll the candy in the gauze. Finally, we put everything in the first aid kit.
Good morning, doctor.
Morning. Yes, it worked.
Wait.
Yeah?
The patient in room 234 needs medication right away. Hurry.
Hi.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Please, I need candy.
Don't worry, patient 234. We have candy in here. Here, take this.
Huh? What's this supposed to be?
Unwrap it.
Oh, rain pop. Ooh, wow, you're so smart. Wow, this is great. I haven't had sugar in 10 years.
The doctor
I
said
have so much I'm thirsty. Do you have any soda?
Yeah, if I give you some, will you be quiet?
Yeah, sure. Give me. Syringe.
Get away!
You gave him candy? He's on a no sugar diet. What have you done?
Oopsie.
Oh, that's it. Lily, you snuck candy in here Hey!
I'm really here to see my friend.
Nope, you're not getting through. Read the sign. You're banned from this hospital.
What?
Security! Hi, everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Hey!